Hello guys, and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can remove the notification software from the OPPO Find X3 Pro. So at the start, if you see something like that in your notification bar or something like that when you're trying to visit any site, that means you have a notification software, and you can try to remove it by two ways: system settings and antivirus app. So I'm gonna show you the first method. Open the settings, then look for the apps and choose app management. Now check the list, and if you see something strange, the app that you have not installed by yourself, the app that you not recognize the name, just select it, click on install and tap on OK. After that, go back to the app list. Now look for your web browser. Tap on the storage usage, manage space, tap on the clear all data and choose the OK. After that, your web browser should be free from notification software. But if that way doesn't work for you, you can also try to download antivirus app, so go to the Play Store and look for the best antivirus app for you. I'm always using Avast, so we can launch it now. And in this application, tap on the continuous free and choose the green circle. Tap on the OK and add a permission to the files. Go back to the app, the scanning process started, and after that all of the unwanted softwares should be removed from your phone. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.